In this episode, we're going to take a look at angles. Angles are around us and we use them every day. When I think of angles, I always think of snowboarders doing amazing tricks. An angle is formed when two segments, rays, or lines come together. When they come together, different angles are formed. The place where those two segments or lines intersect is called a vertex. When we describe angles, typically we measure angles in degrees. If we go back to our snowboarding example, when you think of snowboarders doing tricks or spins, you'll hear them described in degrees. A right angle, or a quarter turn, is described as being a 90-degree turn. A half turn, or two 90-degree turns, is the same as a 180-degree turn. A three-quarter turn is 270 degrees, and a full turn is often referred to as a 360-degree turn. Degrees are the unit of measure for angles. There are also some angle descriptions that we use, though, to describe different types of angles. If an angle is smaller than 90 degrees, that could be an angle that's 1 degree, 50 degrees, 75 degrees, or 89 degrees. Anything smaller than 90 degrees is described as being this small little cute angle. They're adorable. They're the smallest of all the angles that we have. These are called acute angles. An acute angle is an angle that's less than 90 degrees. Next, we have our angles that are very prim and proper. They are very organized and straight. They always come together at a perfect 90 degrees, and we call these our right angles. Right angles can look a variety of different ways, but you'll always recognize them by that square shape they form in their angle. Larger than 90 degrees, a 100-degree turn, 120, up to a half turn, is referred to as an obtuse angle. These angles are our big angles, and they grow larger than 90 degrees. So, we have angles that can be described in a variety of different ways, either using degrees, or more generally, acute, right, and obtuse angles.